Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best vinyl siding mounting blocks is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in achieving a professional and long-lasting exterior finish for your home, ensuring that everything from light fixtures to hose bibs is securely and aesthetically integrated without compromising the integrity of your vinyl siding. Number 5. Builder's Edge 1301100081117 Dutch Lap Surface Block. Introducing the Builder's Edge Surface Block, designed for Dutch lap siding. It simplifies installing fixtures after your siding is in place. Crafted for longevity, this block is durable, maintenance-free, and UV stabilized. The color is molded through, ensuring it won't scratch, flake, or fade. Experience hassle-free installation with our patented snap-on trim ring. It makes attaching fixtures a breeze. Specifically engineered for Dutch lap siding, this accessory provides a clean and secure mounting point for your home's fixtures. Constructed in the United States, this mounting block offers superior durability and a finish that stands the test of time. What we like. This mounting block is designed specifically for Dutch lap siding, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. Its patented snap-on trim ring simplifies the installation process, making it a breeze to mount fixtures after your siding is already up. If you have Dutch lap siding and are looking for a straightforward, secure mounting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The siding blocks are designed to provide a secure and stable mounting surface for various accessories. They are made from durable, weather-resistant material that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. The blocks feature a universal design that fits most standard siding profiles, making installation easy and versatile. Number 4. Builder's Edge 13011006123 Surface Block. Tired of complicated installations? This surface block makes it easy to install fixtures even after your siding is up. Get a clean, professional finish every time. Ensure your exterior accessories are perfectly aligned. This block provides a consistently level surface, enhancing the look and functionality of your home's exterior. Worried about compatibility? It's designed to work seamlessly with 4-inch to 10-inch siding. Enjoy a secure and stable mounting solution for various siding types. Built to last with quality materials. You can trust in its durability, knowing it's proudly made in the USA. Invest in a product that stands the test of time. Measuring 6.75 by 6.75 inches, it offers the ideal size for most exterior accessory installations. Achieve a polished look without unnecessary bulk. What we like. This option provides a consistently level surface for all your exterior accessories, ensuring a professional finish. It's designed to work with a wide range of siding sizes, from 4 to 10 inches, offering great versatility. If you need a reliable, USA-made block that guarantees a level mounting point for various accessories on different siding types, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The siding mounting blocks are a great addition to my home. These blocks make it easy to mount accessories like lights and hose reels. The design is sleek and modern, and they are very durable. Number 3. Ekena Millwork Builder's Edge Surface Block. Introducing the Builder's Edge Surface Block from Ekena Millwork. This decorative block offers a clean, white finish to enhance your home's exterior. Proudly made in the United States, this product ensures quality craftsmanship and durability for your project. Its compact dimensions, with a package height and width of 6.63 inches, make it easy to handle and install. This surface block is designed for versatile use, adding a touch of elegance wherever it's placed. Experience the blend of style and quality with this essential home improvement accessory. What we like. Constructed with durability in mind and made in the USA, this mounting block offers a robust solution for your exterior needs. Its compact dimensions make it suitable for a variety of applications where space might be a consideration. If you prioritize a sturdy, American-made product for your fixture mounting and appreciate a streamlined design, this is a solid contender. What people say. The siding blocks are a great addition to my home. They are very durable and have held up well against the elements. The design is sleek and modern, and they were easy to install. Number 2. Builder's Edge 130120001001 mounting block, white, 2-pack. These mounting blocks are built to last. They are durable, maintenance-free, and UV stabilized for long-term use. The color is molded right through, so you don't have to worry about scratching, flaking, or fading. It stays looking great for years to come. Our patented snap-on trim ring makes installation a breeze. You'll have it up and ready in no time. This jumbo mounting block provides the ideal surface for larger coach lamps. It's also great for smaller electrical and water meters. Crafted with care in the United States, you can rely on the quality of this product. It's designed for performance and longevity. What we like. This jumbo mounting block is perfect for larger fixtures like coach lamps, as well as electrical and water meters. It features the convenient snap-on trim ring for easy installation and is built to last with UV stabilized, color molded through construction that resists fading. If you're dealing with larger accessories and want a durable, easy to install solution, this is your go-to. What people say. The mounting blocks are designed to provide a secure and stable base for attaching various accessories to vinyl siding. They are made from durable, weather-resistant material that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. The blocks feature a universal design that fits most standard vinyl siding profiles, making installation straightforward. Number 1. Arlington 8141 DBL Siding Mounting Kits. Introducing the Arlington 8141 DBL, a convenient solution for mounting electrical boxes on siding. This kit simplifies installation, saving you time and effort. It features a smart, built-in box design that integrates seamlessly with your siding. This eliminates the need for separate boxes, streamlining the process. The clean white finish ensures a discreet and professional look once installed. It complements most exterior aesthetics. With a 1-2-inch depth, it provides ample space for wiring while maintaining a low profile. This depth is ideal for various electrical applications. This product comes in a convenient 2-pack, offering great value for your project. You'll have enough for multiple installations or future needs. Crafted for durability, these mounting kits are built to withstand outdoor conditions. Trust in their reliable performance for secure electrical installations. What we like. This mounting kit comes with a built-in box, streamlining the installation of electrical fixtures and accessories. It's designed for convenience, offering a complete solution in one package. If you're looking for an all-in-one mounting solution that simplifies the process of adding electrical components to your exterior, this kit is a great option. What people say. The siding blocks are designed to provide a secure and stable mounting surface for various accessories, ensuring they stay in place even in harsh weather conditions. These blocks are made from durable, UV-resistant material that will not fade or crack over time, maintaining their aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. The universal design allows for easy installation with most types of vinyl siding, making it a versatile solution for homeowners and contractors alike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.